Okay, reset. Let's
Alright,
go.
Go.
Alright.
Can't hit it.
I gave you lead. I can't give you lead.
Ah,
Yeah, I
that's
can't give you a lead.
okay. Well, we just wing the
Just call
full-timers
it.
then.
Just go 3, 2, 1, and then.
We're still killing turtles.
Do you want the other one as well?
It doesn't matter.
Or you could also parachute us here, by the way. It's for the tiny
Hey,
bit.
just tried. It's on cooldown.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why I didn't activate.
Good. Okay, let's hope that doesn't fuck us in an M+ for some reason.
Yeah. It's always been finicky. So.
Yeah. If not, the jump has to be enough. Well, worst case, you guys death skip. Oh, wait. No, worst case, you fall down. That's like... Oh!
Hostile.
Oh, that's bad. Also
Just
ignored
reset
my
then.
shroud, yeah.
Oh, well,
reset.
that call was kind of late. I'm already live.
They're coming for you.
Uh-oh. Yeah, that's not ideal.
Oh, no, I think you just... Okay, well,
Just
I'm
reset
just gonna
them.
Abyssal you, just with the array now. Just
Okay. Yeah, I'm just going up to the... where there's solid ground.
Oh, your pull timer still worked.
Bro, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah, these things fuck.
It didn't fuck you like that yesterday. Well, they
That's
fucked
because we pulled
you.
2 of them.
Oh. True, I complained about you pulling 2 mobs, right?
Temporal.
Okay guys, fuck these guys up, please.
But if you need to kite, just call it.
That
and
was
I can,
all my CDs, by the way. Hit that tentacles.
loot them.
Yeah, he's
Clone
cutting.
it full. Yeah, you got also got clone.
Oh my god, bro. Okay, that was a rough start.
All good. We got room for stuff like that.
At least we did them all 3 now, so these guys are gone.
You guys might want to chill a little bit because I just now entered the cave. I'm slow as hell.
Judging your HP, we wanna chill anyways, bro. At least the pull timers work anyways.
Abyssal. Abyssal. They all got stopped. Don't have anything if they start fucking.
Champions coming.
3,
Oh, that's
2,
right.
1.
Back up. Don't put anything
Yeah,
on the
shit
ground.
on the
I forgot
ground.
about that, champ.
Gonna be your
It
shit
should
on the ground.
dissipate. No, it pulled.
Be bold.
It's gonna get buffed too.
Yeah. I just died
I
really
forgot about that champ. Yeah, fuck.
Out of cooldowns now.
Not ideal, not ideal. There
Not
he
dead
is.
though.
Wait, chill, we have
Buff.
to chill.
Yeah, just heal. And we'll buff. Alright, pulling him.
Yeah,
Temporal.
shut up the spell, you.
Oh, but I'll get the Corona myself. Oh, sorry.
Temporal?
Yeah. I have to get my timing right.
Then we'll go forward for the fire. Go forward. Give us group DR. Abyssal.
Coming in for breath soon.
Yep.
Keep up.
Yep.
Not bad.
Move now.
Torrent, move.
Somehow we still got damage.
We're still getting hit by something, yeah.
Kinetic shield. Okay.
Clean.
We're winners. Dragon E's all the way to the top.
Dragon these nuts.
Good comms.
Nice.
Thank you.
Maybe we should chill with this. No, pad is coming right now anyways.
Yep.
Does it come on the bridge or no?
No.
Turning around there somewhere. Oh, that's a champ,
Oh,
that's a
you're-
champ.
Oh, does that champ though? Or
Yeah.
just put shit on the
Oh
ground?
yeah, we could kill
That's
that.
literally our champ. Oh, he's coming for us as well.
Yeah, we gotta back up. We gotta
go
back up.
back
Yeah.
up.
I
Finish
have
these.
stuff
Finish.
on the
Don't
ground.
drop shit on the ground.
It's okay. It's okay. Just kill them
Yeah,
off.
you're
Just kill them
dropping
off.
more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Bro,
gonna pull. We
It's
can-
gonna be the same thing. He's buffed again, then we die. That he realizing he's gonna get buffed.
God, fuck, man. Why are these champs perfectly fucking us every time? I'm so dog shit, bro. I'm so dog
What is he
shit.
doing? What the fuck are you doing, bro? Die.
Okay, we can still win though.
Bro,
Sure,
why
sure.
did you drop more Sanders, man?
Okay, but my previous Thunders were still on the ground. I just wanted to kill the mobs, because if we kill the mobs before the champ gets there, we can just roll him.
Yeah, but there's no way we kill those mobs that fast.
Even if you didn't drop the Sunders, I had my fucking airplane in the air and that shit lasts forever
It's
on the ground.
actually coming for us. Oh my god.
Del, you are dodging my hots, by the way.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's what the Nazi also said.
Everybody,
Just
Del
evading
was the
hots.
first one that put my hot on, and he was the last one to be full life.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Right
Here,
there.
here he is, here he is. Full buff.
We need to pull. He's kind of. Oh! Dropping a tentacle here because I don't have anything right now.
We're gonna get the debuffs. We'll go back to the way we can. Back, please. They're like a whole 180 degree. Like. Temporal.
You can, cleanse me.
At some point.
Alright, back to the entrance. Back to the entrance. Abyssal. Hold on. Pinnacle. Abyssal now.
Yep. Yeah, okay, I'm kind of wacky on those dispels. Oh, be careful, careful.
Torrent. Kinetic shield after he gets to me.
He's filming.
Champ's dead
Okay.
anyways.
Alright, we killed both champs. We're fucking mighty. We're huge!
Bro.
We're so fucking huge.
Okay, perfect pad as well on the Stone Giant. Nice. And we made up some time, guys. Fuck, man, the timer is still low. Have to do a lot of bosses.
Just gonna look for the patrol. Careful throw. Wait, that's our champ. What the fuck?
What? Okay, we skip him
That's
though.
alright.
It's fine.
Yeah, we skip him.
Yeah.
Patrol's coming too.
Be
He's
careful.
good.
He's coming to us though. Anyways.
Yeah. I hope he doesn't go all the way here.
Are we 3 for 3 here?
Let's go. Okay, he
But I
went
can
back.
turn around, yeah.
Bro.
Okay, that was a different champ.
Okay, here's our patrol
There's
too.
a patrol.
Perfect.
Perfect. Yep. Game in. I fucked up my.
Moving against the wall for Sunder.
Right, we're trying the parachute pack strat, right?
Yeah.
Worst case, we have to do it in the 41.
Yeah, I'm gonna summon my other pet.
And clearing this.
Yeah, don't cast anything. Nothing.
Do not do anything.
I'll get left, you get right.
Yep. Cold timer, 3, 2. Alright, run guys, don't do anything, don't cast anything. You have to desummon your pet.
Okay, he's dismissed.
And then isolate Shadow Mob. Beautiful.
Alright. Now I port over.
Pixel stack.
And be careful, do not touch the champ with the bomb, but yeah, it should be fine.
Okay, bombs down. Parachute packs up.
Oh,
shit.
we're close. Oh.
We're fine,
Oh,
we're
let's
fine.
fucking
Okay.
Okay,
These
okay.
guys
First,
don't have eyes.
immediately on pull is temporal plus my CD.
I'll give
Wait,
it
when
to
do you need the
second
first 10? Oh yeah, okay, wait, yeah, okay, I'm doing this
3,
right now.
2, 1.
Pulling.
Yep.
Abyssal.
That didn't work, it's out now.
Stop fucking bouldering me.
There's a tentacle now.
Okay, whip crack.
I think you might
Plus
be
the
running
tentacle.
now soon.
Fear. Yeah, okay, now I'm
I
running.
think you
so
just
I'm
run,
running.
yeah, just in case after the fear. Right. Cannot get feared. Just remembered. Okay, I can actually attack for a bit. Fear soon, probably. Oh, the Ellie anyways, I can spell him.
Oh, fuck off with your fucking boulders.
Do we have any aggro
Yeah,
problems
he's-
right now? Or
Doesn't
No,
seem
we're
so.
good. Like,
just,
no.
just isolate leg. Just isolate
yeah,
leg.
I'm isolating leg right now. Why is she not fearing, bro?
Probably tank range thing.
Maybe. Although she, yeah, there it is. Okay, I can actually start casting Malevolence, dip out of the knockback, and then dip right back in at the end of the cast. That's actually retarded. It's not retarded, it's... And then I skill shoot myself into the fear, but I don't need to heal anyways.
Dude, we're doing it! Let's fucking go!
Wait, we have to get all the way back though.
Yeah, we just die, honestly. We just die and go
Yeah,
goblin.
yeah.
I mean, we could reverse it, I guess, but...
Wait, don't we just go down, do the
Down
girl,
and
and then
die,
die,
yeah.
and we do
Oh,
the...
yeah, then die. Yeah, good comps. Gator, then die.
Damn it, I can't reflect your stone.
This is gonna be a fucking video, bro. The devs are gonna see this, by the way, and give like a range attack to
Immediately
it
fix
on the
it.
tank.
Yeah.
Immediately
they're just gonna immune the giants to like fears and shit.
They're gonna take away my tinker stuff.
Yeah, they're gonna take away the parachute pack.
God gaming. Tinker Tech.
She's throwing so many stones at you, like, bro, this is crazy.
I hate this boss.
I'll give you
No
another
matter what class
isolate,
I'm on,
just
I'm
for the
getting
lulz.
bolder.
Oh my gosh, he's about to die, bro. Yo. Yo. Okay, now we go Gator.
Yep.
We parachute probably.
Oh yeah, if you can parachute.
Yeah.
Parachute
Yeah.
us. Should we just stack for a second?
Hey, parachuted.
Alright. Okay, that's fucking...
We should have mined.
Oh yeah, we should
Yeah,
have
it's
mind
true.
actually, he's far
Yeah.
away. Fuck. Well,
It's all good. I
I
can
can waterwalk anyways.
speed over there.
okay, we should be careful with the hydras. We should
Yeah,
just
I
do
don't
a
want
single
Hydras
boss, yeah.
with boss.
But
Yeah,
we
I'm
need
just
to
gonna
do some for... Although, we can... Yeah, no. We
No,
can do
fuck that. We'll get
percentage,
easy
whatever.
count.
Yeah, we get count somewhere.
I mean, we can just get the Hydras at the start again. After.
I mean,
Hug left, don't
if
pull
we,
the Hydra.
If we die anyways, we just get the whole count to goblin anyways, no?
This boss fucks, by the way. This
Yeah,
boss
I'm kinda
fucks.
scared.
Weird.
Pulling. Temporal.
Had to go in 20.
Abyssal.
After Abyssal should be a tentacle more or less. There's a 5-second delay in between. Should usually for 5 though.
Get ready to kinetic shield. Now. I have nothing.
Tentacle again.
Yeah, you also got thrown at full.
My own defensive, and then I might have to start kiting.
Careful with the hydras though.
I'm like weak now. Any defensives? I have nothing.
50 on control.
I have nothing.
My mid pack didn't hit you.
I have 5 seconds on defensives.
You should be fine.
Okay, defense is up. There's whip crack. How long an abyssal?
It's up.
I'll tell you when.
Okay,
Abyssal
okay,
now.
There's so much fucking tech I can do, it's actually crazy. Can Shadow phase a fucking Giga Black Light onto us and then I have to just refresh it with Satiate.
Thrown at full, by the way.
And I'm dropping a tentacle in 20, I don't know why, but it's gonna be there when the boss is dead.
Okay, now we die.
We die to Hydras.
Yep, don't heal.
Gonna pull one as well. Ah, fuck, I'm off healing. Ugh.
I had tentacle for the first half of those.
Yeah, it dropped after the boss, like I said.
Okay.
You can parachute
There
you
we
guys
go.
if you want to. Jump anyways.
And bomb. Alright.
Parachuted. I don't.
Rebuffs.
Goose.
Okay, 11 minutes, that's more than fine to get to... We don't get 50% though there on the way there, no?
Yeah, it's fine. We can get more.
But then we have to walk all the way back.
It's also 40%.
Yeah, but we could we could go into the tunnel and go past the bridge where that little tunnel is that we usually jump down to. We could just go past that bridge and there's more worms. Worst case. I mean, we just clear all this.
Yeah, of course, we clear all this here.
We usually don't clear all this, so we should. Oh, I'm stun.
Tell me if they stun you again, I can AoE counter stun.
Temporal. Oh, they all died. Okay.
Good. What?
Aggro,
We have one
aggro.
here.
Got it.
Wherever he came from, I didn't see. Champ.
Oh
He's
shit.
pulling.
He pulled. Yeah, he pulled.
There's an extra champ here, bro.
Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe
it's
just
fine.
kill
We'll
the
just
ads.
die.
Try to kill the ads and then we die. Careful Blister for now.
Any externals right now?
I'm gonna give my thingy. I don't have anything else.
I have 40 on kinetic.
Huh? How did I
He's
die?
doing fire.
I'm dead.
Just kill whatever. Just kill what
Should
we
be fine.
can.
You killed the Boras. That's fine. We killed what we need.
Yeah, we can just stack and die now. Stack and die. now. We're not
Die.
killing. Yeah. Just stand in
I
normal.
rest already. I might need to. Oh, I'm not invited.
Nope,
It's fine.
reset.
Yep, we're good.
Reset.
Should be still Giga fine on time.
Yep. Man, I mean, we never go there because we were doing this
Yeah.
weird strat. So I didn't even know that champ was there.
I need to see you dodge my heals.
He's just dodging heals, bro.
Where does the champ even pat? I think I'm just gonna pull this stuff up here to where we are because I'm pretty sure I fell. Okay. Pulling it up into this corner.
Silence again.
Going deeper into this corner. I have to be really careful with Sunder here.
Can't even see him at the moment.
You might have one of those ridiculously long
Yeah,
patrols.
probably has.
One more Bora on me.
Couple down, just getting silence at the start.
Going against this corner just for safety. Temporal.
Bro, just fucking silence all the time.
The same. Couldn't roll because of the silence. It's like, why is it not going on?
The Terra Dream Guardian's always stun on pull now. It might just counter AoE stun instantly.
Gonna pull this all back up to here again. Stunned. Abyssal.
Can go through now. But sometimes I press it and it just nothing happens.
I'm worried about that champ padding back to the boss area though.
I think if we're in the corner, it's fine. Hopefully.
You have to be kind of out to bait the
Yeah,
bombs.
true. Yeah, but he's definitely going through here, I'm pretty sure.
Palm.
Yeah, I'm good.
Careful with the Sanders.
I'm gonna face him into the corner. Just watch the goblin fire gun or whatever.
I'm so scared to throw down my airplane.
Yeah, probably better to just not do it.
Yeah. Is it always on the furthest person, Ligma? Could I beat that for you?
I mean,
I could swap with you.
that's fine.
Okay.
I can castle moving.
Wait, it's still on Lagma? Oh yeah, you're okay. It's still on
Bomb's always on me.
I know, I thought he was swapping, but no.
No. It's on me.
I'm always just turning around looking if the champion's coming.
I'm doing 4K single target. Holy fuck.
Where is Mr. Champa?
Fuck it.
Oh, he's risking it.
I'm risking it.
For the biscuit. He's got a biscuit.
The chap is nowhere to be seen.
Yeah, he's just fucking gone, bro.
Bro, this boss has 3.6 million HP, by the way.
That's more than MC bosses currently have.
Oh?
True. The MC bosses had like 3.2 partially. Some of them.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
getting
that MC
again.
was giga quick, like something they, I don't know.
Yeah, boss
like-
HP is definitely fucked.
I feel like the MC like the CoA specific tuning is gone or something, I don't know. They're like MC and Oni in like 2 hours more or less.
I swear to
With,
God,
like,
when they
server
implemented the BB changes to the bosses, they probably implemented the scaling as well.
Okay, be careful with the champ.
I'm looking, I don't
He's
see
coming.
him.
Who knows? I mean, okay.
This should be enough.
Completely gone.
I think he's like a giga long path.
Yeah, probably.
I believe these 5 mobs should be enough counts. So.
Yeah. Jeez.
Let's fucking go.
Boy.
Dude, I got
Fucking
Blackrock
Pristine.
Caverns. Come on, man.
Oh man, what? What is this?
Rip.
Why is this still in here, bro? Fucking Blackrock Cavern.
Alright, well,
GG's though.
let's re-roll it. Re-roll it.
Oh yeah. 430 gold, let's go. Can trade you some.
I'll split it with you. I got gold.
Splitting? Okay.